Hi, Nicole here, and welcome to another video. I hope you're doing well. This video is all about Reels. Now, if you are still struggling or stuck on where to even begin with Reels, this video is for you. Okay, so in this video, I am going to share kind of my formula for Reels. I'm going to provide you some ideas for Reels, and no, you don't have to dance or point to text bubbles in order to make a reel that's effective. And then I'm going to break down an idea that you could try for your first reel. Okay, here we go. So as a brand photographer, I always encourage my clients to get creative, engage with their audience, and you can do that with Reels. So I'm sure you've tried videos. Reels is just another engaging way. And because Instagram is favoring Reels right now, you're going to get a bigger reach with Reels, which is why I encourage everyone to at least start trying to make some. So my formula for Reels is basically, think of a recipe. You have your preparation, you have your ingredients, which is the content, and then you have steps to follow to make the resulting recipe item, which will be a reel. So for preparation, think of a reel as a story. It's going to have a beginning, a middle, and an end. You can start off, I recommend, with pre-recorded information, videos, images, and start with just a 15-second reel, and then you can build up to a 30-second reel. So also with preparation, think about if you're filming in a video space like this, or you're out on location. Consider your background. You want it to be as less distracting as possible. You don't want to distract with your background. Also, if you need to have any props for this reel, think of those things as well. All this preparation will make the whole process go a lot smoother. So let's talk about the ingredients. These are the videos. I recommend maybe doing a 3 to 5 second video of whatever the subject matter is in your process. Stop motion videos, time-lapse videos. You can have still images now, which is different from when I did my first reel video. You couldn't add still images. Now you can. So you also could do slow motion videos. You can really get creative, but don't get overwhelmed. Whatever you can handle right now, might be a 3-second video of all different parts and pieces of your process, then do that, and then you can build on later. My other part of ingredients is how you're filming it, whether it's overhead with your iPhone. So if you had your iPhone, if you're doing it overhead, if you're doing it at an angle or in front of you. You can be the subject, or whatever you're making. If you're a product-based business, for example, that can be the subject. Okay, so then we get into these steps, and there's really 5 core steps in making a reel. You have your first decision, 15 or 30 seconds. So I'm recommending pre-recorded ingredients, content for 15 seconds. Then you're thinking of the beginning, the middle, and the end. What's the key idea to draw your audience in, doing the thing, and then the end result. So once we have those added into the reel, now we're going to add text. Just like stories, we're going to give almost a title to that beginning, middle, end. And at the bottom of the reel, you have an opportunity to have the text a start point and an end point. And that's what makes the messaging guiding your audience through your reel so much stronger. Add music, and then you're ready to share. You're going to choose a cover, you're going to add your caption, and you are going to share also to your feed. So you want to have that marked off as well. But don't worry, if you're at this stage and you're getting overwhelmed or something else has popped up, you have to manage something else, you can save it as a draft and come back. So I recommend doing that as well. I've done that a ton of times myself. Okay, then once you click share, you're ready to go, and now you can share that also to your stories so you can get even more eyes on your very first reel. I hope this was helpful. I wanted to provide you with a PDF that breaks down my formula recipe, my idea list, and then I break down one of the ideas that I think would be great for your first reel. My idea list consists of a day in the life. People love behind the scenes. You can also have simple steps, maybe based on your process. So 3 to 5 simple steps. I did this one the other day on my 3 steps on capturing an overhead process image with my iPhone. Helpful tips. Maybe you have a product where someone gets one of your flower bouquets and you want to give them some 3 tips on, now that they have your bouquets, how to care for them at home. Then we have transformations. People love this. This makes a great content piece for a reel. So you're going to show kind of setup materials and then your finished product. Okay, so I have my idea list for you as well. And then it breaks up a day in the life. So I have the beginning, the middle, and the end, and giving you some helpful guides to capturing the content, the ingredients for your reel. Okay, I tried to lay this out so it was quick and actionable. If you have any questions, let me know. If you make your first reel, tag me on Instagram at nbedardphotog, and I can't wait to check them out. Okay, until next time.